everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the very simple running stitch. It's probably the most basic embroidery stitch. It's just this little dashed even stitch that you can use to define an edge or outline something or to indicate motion behind a little character. It's just a simple little stitch. So we're going to start with a piece of fabric that has a line marked on it, and that's what we're going to follow with our stitches. So I'll bring my needle up from the back, and then what you want to do is take even stitches in and out. So I'm going to do mine about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to put the needle down on the line about 1/4 inch away from where the floss came up, and then take the tip and pop that up about 1/4 inch. Now the cool thing about the running stitch is you can do a few at a time. So I've gone in and out, and I'm going to pull that through. And then I'm going to go back down 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, in and out. And you're going to try to get those even. They're not perfect, but that's okay. And these are rather large, but you can do tiny little stitches. You can also, if you want to have a long stitch in a tiny space, and do that regularly across your work, that works as well.